Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So in today's video, we're going to be transforming my kitchen, specifically my backslash from this to this. Yes, and I'm going to carry you guys along with the whole process. So this will be the first part of my full kitchen makeover. This is going to be the first part of the series. I'm just going to start off with a backslash just to create the foundation, and with other videos coming, you would see like the whole process of making over this kitchen. We're going to be repainting the cabinets. We're going to be doing a lot of things, the walls. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. So yeah, I'm going to start off with clearing the area and just cleaning up the place, and then we just get started with the whole makeover. Everything that I used on here I ordered from Amazon. I'm going to be linking putting all the links of all that I used in the description box of this video on the comment section. So yeah, just follow along with me and enjoy the video. Okay, so this solves the problem. If you want to take off a stick-on backslash that you've used for some time, yeah, this was a backslash that I got from Amazon some years back. It's been about almost 4 years now that I've had this on. It came with my kitchen came with backslash ties, but I didn't really like them, so I replaced them with this, and now I'm trying to take them off because they are due for a change. Like, they've been here 4 years and I feel like they're due for a change. The best way to go about this would be to use a hot dryer. You just turn it on to the hot part, yeah, allow it to heat up a little bit, and then you start. Okay, so I'm going to start from the edge. I actually thought it would be smoother than this, but it's a little bit of a struggle. Wiped it off, so this is clean surface now. Got this beautiful peel and stick tile from Amazon, and I love it. They are just very budget friendly. This is like under $100, which makes sense to me. It is 100 pieces, so yeah, it will go a long way in just doing what I wanted to do on this backslash. I picked black, just like I said before, because of what I want to do with the rest of the house. We're going to be repainting ourselves. We're just going to do a lot of cute DIY upgrades in this house, and I want to always just keep everything on the budget, right? So yeah, you just peel off the stick-on part, and then you just stick it on the wall. Just try to do it as carefully as possible, because it's really very hard to peel out if you're not able to stick it on well. So you have to be very precise so that you're sure that you're doing it right. And these tiles come in different colors, so if you don't like black, you can choose any other color that suits you or works for you. They have white, they have gray. Yeah, so my beautiful daughter, decided to help me out from here. She loves DIYs too. She's very creative. So yeah, she decided to help me out, and yeah, I appreciate her for that. So we're just doing it together and just taking it easy so that we don't make mistakes and have to peel it off and put it back in again. So you don't want to waste these things, right? So yeah, it's looking good so far. Enjoy. I love these LED strip lights. I got them from Amazon also. They are motion censored, so I really like them, and they're easy to just put wherever you want to put them, and quite affordable too, right? Yeah, I tried to use these ones on the Backsplash just to see what it would give me, and it wasn't bad. This is what we're looking at. It gave me, it's actually white light, so this is what it gave us. I like it, but I felt like I wanted more. I wasn't really seeing the light as much as I wanted to see it. There was a picture I had in my head, the aesthetic I had in my head, that this wasn't really giving me. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think it is good? Yeah, I got another light from Amazon also. They are bulb lights, they are warm lights, so I used them instead, and this is what it gave me. I feel like I'm tilting towards these effects much more than the other one. So I'd like to know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think the bright light, the initial one, is better than this one, or is this much better? To me, I feel like this is giving me the aesthetics I want. I like the way that the light is just dropping on the Backsplash and giving that warm effect. I really love it so much. Yeah, what do you guys think? I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know, and from there I'll make my final decision. The total amount used for this makeover was $150. I just rounded it up. It was actually less than that. So it was that much because I had to buy a second pack of the peel and stick ties. The first pack was $60 and I had to buy another pack because I needed to complete a smaller portion. It was almost enough for it, but we had a smaller portion that we needed to complete. I still have a remainder of that. So if you have a smaller space, the $60 pack would just be enough. And then the bulbs were $13 for one pack, and I bought two, which was $26. So basically that is the total amount I spent. We're going to be doing much more makeovers. The next one will be our pantry. Guys, this was a labor of love. I enjoyed every bit of it. We changed our pantry from this to something really beautiful. So stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe and follow us for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye.